no, you don't.
Hurry up, put the Yahoo down. Jesus.
You guys sing happy birthday, right?
Go ahead, start it, Zach.
Happy birthday to
You.
Happy birthday to
You.
Just go. Happy birthday, dear Brandon. Get out of here. Happy birthday to you.
Did you make a wish?
Damn it.
It's alright, it's alright. There's a backup plan.
It's all good. A backup?
Yeah.
Are they supposed to be trick candles? Because they're really lame. Okay, buddy. Yay! Oh.
Yeah, let's eat.
I hope you like bananas.